Learn how to create this ink lettering composition using the Ultimate Lettering Toolbox ink set. Hi, I'm Nico Ng, and I'll be guiding you through the process, sharing the brushes used in each step. You can choose to watch the entire video for an overview or follow along pausing after each step to create with me. Let's kick things off by setting up a new canvas. I'm choosing screen size for this project. Stamp the arc focus grid on your canvas to use as your layout guide. Adjust your guide and add layout shapes for the other words. This stamp is designed with grids to help you easily position and draw the other layout shapes correctly. Draw the first two words, take a. Use the wide flat brush to draw the thick parts of the letters first, then use the rocky monoliner to complete the letters in serif style. Use the same brushes again to draw the last word every day. Make sure to increase the size of your brush because this word has to be bigger and thicker. Use the same brush again to draw the key words of this quote, small step. Increase the size of your brush again to make these words bigger and thicker. Use the shaky liner brush to add inline designs to your words. Start with a line design for the words small step and a simple dot for the first two words take a, and a simple line inline for the word everyday. Switch back to the rocky monoliner brush and draw line shadows to the last three words of your quote in a different color. If you need some guides, you can duplicate the lettering layers, bring the opacity down, and move them a little bit to the lower right to see where you should position your line shadows. Decorate the upper half of your lettering with sparkles and dots. You can use the rocky monoliner brush for this. Decorate the lower half of your lettering with leaf decorations. Use the charcoal brush in a smaller brush size to draw the stems first. Then bring up the size and brush in the leaves on the stems. Use a light pressure to start the pointed leaves and increase the pressure towards the center and release the pressure as you connect it to the stem. For the rounded leaves, you can start with a heavy pressure and release the pressure as you brush towards the stem. For the circular dots, you can use the spaced dot liner brush. Recolor the leaves and brush in some line details onto the leaves using the fine monoliner brush. Recolor the dots of the top decorations and add a rough paper texture to the background. Lastly, adjust the colors of the entire lettering piece. And we are done. Check out the other videos in this Ultimate Lettering Toolbox series and learn how to draw chalk, vintage, retro sign, graffiti, and watercolor lettering artworks. See you in the next video.